How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super nice 55 Chevrolet 210 done in a beautiful Marina Blue and white two-tone. It's a factory blue car. Bumpers all look real nice, been re-chromed. It's got the stainless grille in it. Got super slick paint on the car. Straight down the sides. This is an all original panel car. All the trim, the stainless looks real good on it. It's got a set of 17-inch Rev Classics. Super nice little 55. They did the wagon rear bumper on it. Gives it that real clean look. Makes the deck lid and everything look a lot cleaner and nicer without the license plate hanging on the deck lid. Beautiful color. Blue and white two-tone on this car looks super nice. Got a mild built 350. Aluminum intake and Holley carb on it. Electronic ignition. It's got your power front disc brakes. Got the updated 2-speed electric wipers. Just a real clean, tight 55. The door panels are the originals and they're in excellent condition. Dash is pretty much all the original dash, other than they did a AM/FM CD stereo in it. Got the original steering wheel. Headliner, real nice. Got the two-tone blue seat covers. Jams are all real nice and clean on the car. The whole underneath of the car is very nice. Trunk looks good. The spare tire well is still there. They just put a little panel over it and then put the one-piece factory trunk mat in it. Super nice car. Seats all look real good. Carpet's been all replaced with a factory carpet. They did a B&M shifter in it. It's got a 350 turbo trans. Tell you, I like the factory blue two-tone interior in the car. Looks really nice. Got a nice little thump to it. It's got a set of stainless headers and dual exhaust out the back. Got a nice little thump to it. Sounds good out the exhaust. This car is ready to just get in it, go to your shows, your cruises, drive it, enjoy it. And check out our complete inventory at rosscustommi.com. Have a great day, folks.